It's a new month, as you just said, and lock-in endings are back. And this time around, we have 182 crore shares of 15 companies that will become eligible for trading in the month of November. But before I proceed any further, here's a caveat that the lock-in period's ending only means that the shares will become eligible for trading, and it does not necessarily mean that they'll be sold in the market. Now, here's the interesting bit. Now, out of these 182 crore shares, 85% of those belong to only two companies, that is LIC and Mankind Pharma. Now, I'll start with LIC first, and we've been reporting about this since August that 126.5 crore shares of LIC will become eligible for trading once its lock-in period ends on the 13th of November. Now, LIC is India's largest IPO. It listed in May last year, but since then it has not managed to see its IPO price of 949 rupees. Now, currently it's down 36% from that price. Now, other companies in this list whose 18-month lock-in period would be ending in November include Campus Activewear, eMudra, Ethos. All of them will have 20% of their outstanding shares becoming eligible for trading. Now, the second company that I highlighted was Mankind Pharma, and more than the number of shares here, it is the fact that 70% of its outstanding shares will become eligible for trading once its lock-in period ends on the 6th of November. Now, unlike LIC, Mankind Pharma has done pretty well for itself despite being a pure offer for sale IPO. Now, this stock is up 60% from its IPO price, having listed in May last year. Now, other companies whose 12-month lock-in is ending this month include Fusion Microfinance and Keynes Tech. Now, both these companies have also done very well for themselves since their IPO. Now, we come to the recent listings, and they will have their 3-month lock-in period ending this month, and they include SBFC Finance, Concord Biotech, TVS Supply Chain, Pyramid Technoplast, Aeroflex, Vishnu Prakash Punglia, and all of these companies will have somewhere between 2 to 4% of their outstanding shares that will become eligible for trading. Now, lastly, two contrasting stocks which will have their 2+ year lock-in period ending this month. Now, Mazagon Dock, as we have all known and reported on extensively, with the more successful PSU IPOs in recent times, barring the recent correction. But on the other hand, Gland Pharma has huffed and puffed its way back to its IPO price, now trading above it as well after some good earnings in the June quarter. Both of these stocks will see 20% of their outstanding shares free up for trade. Now, all in all, there are multiple stocks, but of course, the street will watch out for LIC and how it reacts post that lock-in period ending, if at all it does react, that is.